Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a piece of beef brisket in my slow cooker. So let's get crocking. When I was at Lucky's yesterday, I happened to see this small piece of beef brisket. It says bagged beef brisket. This is 1.86 pounds. So this costs $7.99 a pound, so it's $14.86 for this. It's kind of expensive. But anyway, I seasoned it last night with some kosher salt and some of that seasoned pepper. So it's all ready to go. All I'm going to do is just put it in the crock pot all by itself with no liquid and see how that turns out. I put it in there with the fat cap on top, so we'll see how this goes. I'm going to cook this on low for however long it takes to get tender. It's been 10 hours, so let's take a look at this. Wow, that looks pretty good. Feels like it's fairly tender. I think I'll get that out of there and we'll see how it is. Look at all that juice it made, all that liquid it made on its own. This was a dry, slow cooker. Made all that liquid on its own. Well, let's see how this looks. The grain of the meat runs that way, so I'll cut it across the grain here. Wow, looks nice and juicy. Looks pretty good to me. Looks pretty tender there. Pull that fat off the top. Let's try by and see how it is. Turned out good. Tender, good flavor, and Annie's begging for some. Want to try some brisket, Annie? What do you think? Ho ho ho. Not bad, huh? Well, that turned out good. You hardly ever see small pieces of brisket like that, but turned out good that way. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.